Thank you for choosing the Kegel maintenance videos. Today, we will be replacing the head motor brushes in our IKON Lane Machine. I've taken the liberty of removing the 7-pin side guard. If you need assistance in doing so, please refer to our side cover removal video. With the machine in the transport position, we will locate our head motor. Remove the terminal and locate the brush clip. Gently, with a flathead screwdriver, pry up and remove the clip. Remove the brush and set aside. You will want to repeat this on the opposite side of the motor. Once both brushes have been removed, take either some canned air or an air compressor and blow the motor out. Once the motor has been blown out, take your new brushes, insert into place, push and hold, and slide your clip back into place. Once your clip has been replaced, replace the terminal. With the motor blown out and your head motor brushes replaced, we will now test the head motor to ensure proper operation. Proceed to main menu, I/O test, output test, and locate oil head. Simply press and hold and make sure the heads run back and forth smoothly.